Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, and we are now here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of August, 2024, our system has classified Intel as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.88. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 31.74%. This equates to an average loss of 7.93% per day since it was designated a strong sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 2.89% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between -2.89% and 69.71%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a decline of about 13.32% over the next 12 months, with a potential return ranging from -13.32% to 102.98%. This translates to a price range between $17.19 to $40.25 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, Intel stock downgraded from sell candidate to strong sell candidate after the Tuesday trading session. The Intel stock price decreased by 1.39% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, dropping from $20.11 to $19.83. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.46%, reaching a low of $19.75 and a high of $20.63. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 8 of those days, with an overall decline of 39.82% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive sign, as volume typically should follow stock movement. On that day, the trading volume declined by 44 million shares, with a total of 102 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.03 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $51.28, while the lowest price was $19.29. Currently, the price is 61.33%, or $31.45, below the 52-week high, and 71.38%, or $49.46, below the all-time high recorded on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Intel Corporation is encountering significant challenges in 2024, positioning itself as one of the worst-performing semiconductor stocks year-to-date. Recently released second-quarter earnings revealed considerable shortfalls, with revenue expectations falling drastically below analysts' forecasts. This contributed to a staggering 30% decline in share price within a single day. This drop marks Intel's worst performance in half a century and reflects a broader negative sentiment among investors. The company has announced aggressive cost-cutting measures, including a plan to reduce its workforce by over 15%, which could lead to more than 15,000 layoffs. Despite these actions, Intel continues to struggle in gaining traction in the competitive artificial intelligence chip market, posing a significant risk to its long-term recovery and market position. In the short term, the negative performance and investor perceptions could further pressure the stock price as bearish momentum persists. Analysts caution investors against the buy the dip strategy, as the stock recently reached a 10-year low. However, conversations around the potential for recovery in the latter half of 2024 suggest that the company's foundry expansion initiatives could serve as long-term growth drivers. Overall, while short-term prospects appear bleak, including challenges in both personal computer and server markets, investors may need to weigh the risks against potential future opportunities as Intel navigates its transformation strategy. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Intel Corporation a buy grade along with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Susquehanna assigned Intel a neutral grade combined with a hold action. Additionally, on that Monday, BMO Capital rated Intel with a market perform grade and a hold action. Furthermore, on that date, RBC Capital gave Intel a sector perform grade along with a downgrade action. Lastly, Macquarie rated Intel with an outperform grade and a hold action on the same day. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance will occur at the levels of $26.02 and $31.06. If the stock breaks above any of these levels, buy signals will be issued. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 18, 2024, and the stock has since fallen by 43.13%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume should ideally align with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots reflect a sell signal from 14 days ago. The Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average has a sell signal from 11 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 90 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 98 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Currently, there is no support indicated by accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are right, the stock could experience significant declines in the coming days. The stock has shown considerable volatility with a wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 88 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 4.46%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 5.20%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 29 cents. It is important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $20.11. If you do not own any shares, you may want to consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which suggests that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to manage such situations. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 31st of July, 2024, Zinsner David conducted an insider purchase of 6,503 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, Zinsner David conducted an insider sale of 3,225 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, Zinsner David also conducted an insider sale of 6,503 shares of restricted stock units. On the 31st of July, 2024, Holthaus Michelle Johnston conducted an insider purchase of 8,118 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, Holthaus Michelle Johnston conducted an insider sale of 3,195 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 0.043. Overall, insiders purchased 448,957 shares and sold 443,114 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Intel stock a good buy? Currently, Intel shows several negative indicators and is operating within a broad and downward trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate since the last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 7th of August, we expect Intel to open at approximately $20.07 with an increase of 24 cents. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.